Looney, and I'm a veterinarian who specializes in pain management, palliative care, rehabilitation. We have a large number of clients who choose to approach a variety of orthopedic conditions with non-surgical approaches. And we deal with a number of different companies and a number of different devices, whether those be soft supports, orthotics, even mobility devices. Our clientele tends to be more of the mid-age to geriatric patient population, and we've became acquainted with Posh Dog Knee Brace within the last decade as a client came in with the device and showed us the device and said that she had made it online with a company. I did some research, and lo and behold, we started using the company. The staff has been just wonderful to work with, Nikki and Rick. And in terms of the ease of the owners being able to get online and actually formulate the device and do the measurements by themselves, and our staff's ability to go ahead and do the same has been just wonderful. The staff has been there for us when we need some detailing or teaching on how to give those measurements, as well as fine tuning the devices and instructing us whether those devices are useful for every patient that we see. Some patients they're not meant to be worn, so we'd like to know that before we make those measurements. And the directions and forms online are extremely easy for our staff as well as our clients. As far as the devices themselves, the thing that I think separates Posh from other companies, which is really great, is that these devices are supportive without rigidity, and they're extremely well tolerated by both the family that has to put them on day in, day out, and the patient. The latch mechanisms are very easy to get on. They're very comfortable to the skin and to the fur, and they stay proximal on the leg. They stay where you want them and do what we need them to do. They're very sturdy, and the modifications on those, we've had some cases that we send back to the company. They've been just wonderful to work with in terms of making those minor modifications, which happens as the animal progresses through its healing, as well as the pets seem to do extremely well with this non-surgical approach because the devices are worn so well, put on so easily, and really tolerated by the whole environment, the family, and the pet. So we really appreciate having Posh out there to help us with our patients and with their recovery process. Thank you, Posh.